Wow.
Man, that thing fits perfect.
Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we got a kind of a special thing going. The folks over at Yentatech were so nice to send us these trial. These are like, if you want to call them prototype floor mats for the 07 to 13 Chevy Silverado GMC Sierras. So we're going to test them out and see if they fit, give them some feedback, and just kind of go through the process to make them a better product. So with that said, let's just jump right into it. So let's unbox these suckers, see if they fit. I'm excited. Let's see what these suckers look like. Oh man.
Oh, those look nice.
They do look really nice. You got rear and front. See, these look like the fronts right here.
Oh wow.
Man, those are heavy duty. Like, they feel heavy. So I'm excited. Let's just get these things in there.
Well, let's take a look at them here.
Yeah.
Looks like we got a lip for liquids.
Oh yeah.
And like a spill trough.
And this will go up against the rocker panel.
Nice.
Yeah, that's really nice.
What brand are those?
It says Oedro. I'm guessing that's how you pronounce it. You know, I don't know anything about this company. As far as Oedro goes, Yentatech is, I guess, the parent company that's wanting to test these. But yeah, let's start getting this. We gotta get the truck a little ready. I got some like cheap floor mats in there. I gotta pull those out and make sure these will go right in there. I may actually even do a little bit of shop vacuuming because there might be a little bit of rocks and stuff in the other ones. So let's do that real quick, and then we'll throw these in there and see how they fit. Yes, my truck is messy. Don't worry too much about that. It's a work truck, it's a play truck. I keep it clean as far as not a lot of junk in there, but the floors are not that great. So we're gonna vacuum them out. So let's get at it. Old floor mats. All right, so here's what it looks like with no floor mats, no nothing, it's bare. So this is a before, and then we'll also do an after, and then we'll do the install as well. So this is what it looks like now. So let's go ahead and start installing them, and then we'll circle back, we'll show you the finished product. All right, let's get the first one in. The front. All right.
Oh man.
Going. There we go.
There we go.
Wow.
Wow. Man, that thing fits perfect.
That fits really good.
Is it in the way of the gas pedal?
No.
Perfect. I mean, it's perfect over here. It's following the floor pan line and everything.
Yeah.
Let's see how it does when I close this door over here, Daniel.
Okay. Hey, if you're liking this video, drop a like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss any future content.
These things fit in here really good. We're going to go ahead and close out the door to see how the fitment is along the door panel.
Yeah.
Here we go.
All right. Man, that looks good.
Did it butt up good?
Yeah.
Open up.
Yeah, you didn't
hit it or nothing?
No, it looks really good. Yeah, I agree. I think after it sets, it'll kind of just fall into place.
After it heats up and stuff in the summer sun.
Oh yeah.
I think it'll fit perfect, man. That thing fits perfect right up in here. Show your gas pedal.
Man, yeah, look at that. Changes the whole look of the truck. It was a little bit dirty. Now it just looks, I don't have to worry about spilling stuff. I don't have to worry about mud. I can just pull these out, hose them off, and
slap them back in.
Slap them back in. What do you think about it?
I think they're really nice. I really like them.
Yeah, I like them. Man, they look good.
Yeah, they do.
Perfect.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, me too.
I like how by the gas pedal you have the extra grip for your shoe.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's nice.
Gas and brake. I like how it has the grooves where it'll catch debris and drain it.
Oh yeah.
So it doesn't puddle up.
Yep.
Yeah, I like that.
If I was going to complain about one thing, it is that the lip right here isn't as defined as maybe I'd want it to be.
to
keep things in.
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. It needs to be just a little bit higher.
Yeah, but I mean, all in all, I mean, it's still a great product, I think. I mean, there's really not much about it that I would change. All the fitment is really what we're testing, and it looks good. All right, we did another little test before we moved to the back seat. We moved the seats all the way up, and there's no rubbing, no touching, everything fits.
They're perfect over here.
Are they perfect over there?
Yeah, they look good. Okay, so this is the passenger side. We got the seat pushed up as far as it'll go. It looks like it fits perfect. The adjustment has plenty of room. It's not hitting, not rubbing. It's fits in there great.
Great product so far. We're gonna have to test the back and see, but right now I think it's a win. I like it. As far as the front seat, the fitment is perfect. So now let's try the back and check it out.
Okay.
All right, here we go. We're doing the back now.
Doing the back.
Doing the back.
Let's see how
All
it
right,
fit.
let's see.
Do we have an upside down?
Nope.
Nope.
Put it down this way.
Gotcha. Oh yeah.
All right, this is what it looks like with the seat pulled up. It actually fits really well. You can see around the curvature of the seat mount, the rail, and the center console, it fits really well.
It's a little off here, and I think right here it doesn't fit, but honestly what I think this is where it's been in the packing box so long and it hasn't had time to seat itself with the heat.
It was bent right here,
yeah,
so once this kind of flattens out,
I think it'll fit great.
Yeah, I think it'll fit good.
If I push down on it like it would be if it was normal, it'll fit great. And the lips over here, the drain, it drains perfect down the side. I don't know if you can catch that.
Yeah, I see that.
And it just goes perfectly right down.
Yeah, the more I think about it, the more I actually like not having the lip, because it'll just drain out. If something's
it'll drain out.
It'll just drain out
and you won't trip over it.
Yeah, that's true too. So I mean, I can see the purpose in that.
Mm-hmm.
Let's move the seats back and see how good it fits.
All right, let's check the fitment.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, here's with the seat all the way back.
Yeah, it's got good fitment over here too.
Yeah, nothing rubs.
Nothing rubs. There's plenty of room for it. It goes way up under here to protect underneath.
Yeah.
Far enough so if there's anything that spills down the front, it will catch it and not get into the carpet. I think it's perfect.
Yeah. Yeah. Once it heats up and expands like it's supposed to, I think it'll be fine.
Back down.
Yeah.
Good job. I really like these. If I had a Silverado, I'd probably get these.
Just a tidbit of information. I actually have subwoofers under the seat in my truck, and I took them out to make sure that these would fit, and so we're going to go ahead and put that back in to make sure that the subwoofers fit for anybody who has any type of anything like that in their truck. So we're going to throw it back in and then check it out. All right, we put the speaker box back in, and you can see that it fits just fine. Not something that we had to test, but we wanted to test because, you know, it's something that we care about because, you know, I have speakers in my truck.
And other people may have them too. Other people may have them too in their truck, so we just wanted to see how they would fit.
Yep, and they fit perfect.
Perfect, no issues.
Yep. We are not getting paid to do this. This is not something that we're not sponsored, anything like that. They just asked us if we wanted to do some tests for them. We said, absolutely, we want to try it. And we are not disappointed. They are amazing. It's something that I definitely would buy. We don't have pricing or anything like that yet. So we can't give you a price or a link to any product because it doesn't exist. If that changes, we'll put it in the description at that time, and then you can go purchase them if you want. But like I said, we're not getting paid, so this is just our own opinion. Yeah, but we really like them, right, Jimmy?
Oh yeah, I like them a lot.
Yeah, so that's our review. Sorry about all the wetness. I'm a little sweaty because it's so humid out here. We're going to finish this out by recapping what we like. We like the way they fit. We like just the style. They look really good. We love the floor mats. If we had to pick something negative, for me, it would be that there's the lack of a lip on the driver's side, like near the door. Because if you want to catch something before it kind of spilt out outside or up against your door, then you know, you'd have that ability. Well, these just kind of it drains out underneath the door. If you had something sticky, it would get up on the paint, the door, and it become nasty. You have to clean it off. So I don't like that. But all in all, I would still buy them. I still really like them. Something else that we kind of thought about later on after we got done putting them in was there's nothing to hold them down. So if they start to slide, now they grip pretty well, but if they had some type of Velcro on them, then that would be great, because these trucks don't have anything to secure the factory floor mats. I know other cars have maybe like a little snap in, it snaps in, and if they had that, then that would be great, but this truck doesn't have that. So something like maybe some Velcro or just something to grip into the carpet would be great. But other than that, we really like them. So that's our review. That's our full review.
True honest review.
True honest review. All right, after a couple days of use and out in the heat, you can see that it looks like it's formed a lot better. Everything's laying down the way it should. So these are really good floor mats. I did find one more thing that I would say let's improve on if we had the chance. Right here, you see how that's open. I would think that we'd want to, I would say, bring this up all the way through here, up around, and then down. That's just a little nitpick. I mean, honestly, there's nothing wrong with these, but I'm just saying, if I had to pick something, otherwise, these are really great floor mats. I like them, not bad. I hope you enjoyed the video. We actually really like these floor mats. It's not something we even ever expected to do, but we really enjoyed reviewing these and providing some feedback for our company that really wants to start making these, and I would buy them. So with that said, I hope you liked it, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and if you like the content in the video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up so that way we can keep on growing. Otherwise, God bless you, God bless America, be empowered, out.